have the protein, but I'm talking about the animal protein. Okay, now I'm gonna need one more jar. Finish this. And let's go with the spicy mushrooms. Spicy mushrooms combined with the avocado. Avocado is a natural oil, natural fat. It's really trendy now, and it's really healthy. So you can cut fresh avocados. Fresh avocados, dice them, slice. Depends on the size you want your fries. You see how in less than 20 minutes you are assembling a nice dish?
Amazing. Yeah.
A nice dish,
And it's
delicious.
fancy, fresh,
It's
fancy.
fresh
And it's
fancy because of the colors. That's what I told you at the beginning. Whenever you see something that looks good, usually you're prepared and your mind says that's good. And when you know you're eating something healthy, even more, right? It's like you feel good about it. Okay, this is gonna need more salt because avocado needs salt.
What makes the spicy mushroom antipasto spicy? What pepper?
We use red pepper flakes. It's the pepperoncino. It's a small Italian chili.
So it's not like, fire.
It's not crazy. It's good. Okay, so you put your mushrooms. I left the spicy one to the end because I didn't want any of the rest be spicy, just in case some of you don't like spicy. Okay.
I'm doing a bike.